What do you think?
I like this. This is the biggest one, the biggest car.
Yes.
Like this.
The only
Wow, I
thing
can
that I
actually
have
fit in
is I have a different one that the rear seat you have one extra foot. Because it's a Crew Max, this is a double cab.
Oh, let's
I can
see.
show you in the new one the different, that way you can have an idea of it.
Okay, I can fit in it, sir. That's already a good start. Okay, shut this off here.
Yes, sir.
Can I see the back seat? Let's see. How much room we got in the back seat?
Remember with
¿Qué
the
año es este?
Okay.
S16.
What year is it?
16.
How much is this one? Here's your key. I thought you wanted white, Adriana.
This is the only color that you have.
He said this is the only used
This is the
Tundra.
only one use that I
Because
have.
I will like white.
Okay, so this one is how much? How much?
30,477.
30,000. How many miles does it have on it?
26,000.
26,000.
It's
Nice.
a certified, which means you're gonna have a 7-year warranty, starting from the 16, so you have to 2023,
Right.
all until you reach 100,000 miles. That is in the powertrain. Some of them
Crew
have
Max.
bigger tire. This is a
Right.
Desert 5, which is one of the best.
Okay, so this one's got an extra foot inside, but it's got a foot smaller outside.
Like that blue.
There you
I
go.
don't dislike
Oh, now you want blue.
That
No,
blue,
I don't dislike.
that blue is a special edition. It's a TRD Pro, so it's probably one of the higher configuration that is made by the Tundra.
How much is this one? This is the one with the bigger cab. So it's a foot bigger back here, but it's a foot smaller here.
Y en estos
So let's see. So that's all. Oh yeah, it is a lot more room here, huh?
All this is the new.
All this is new. I have more in the back too, because I can.
Let me see. Wow.
So because this dealer is a high volume dealer.
What is it? What is it?
TRD.
TRD.
Pro.
Oh, TRD Pro. Oh, okay.
And that one, the price that you
Pro.
see there,
54.
they don't give you a
55.
single penny discount if you choose this model,
Huh.
because it's a special edition.
Right. Oh, okay. Huh.
I can help you with any other model, but if you choose
Right.
a Pro,
Right.
it's that
TRD
for-
Pro,
for the
okay.
incentive. 7 years.
Right.
I only see like 2 of those used. Whoever buy those vehicles, because they keep the value so high,
Really?
pretty much nobody trading it. But if
This
you
is-
do,
Right.
you get a lot of money back.
This is a
Because
nice.
they keep the value very high.
Right. It's a nice truck. Okay. Thank you. There you go. Adriana wants a white car. What do you think of that one right there?
Wow, I can afford.
You can't afford it? A white Ferrari. Look at that. What do you
That's
think?
for your uncle or your mom.
My uncle or my mom? Mom's got a Bentley. My uncle's got what? The,
For Adam.
oh, my cousin. Yeah, there you go.
That's perfect for Adam.
That's a nice car right there, man.
Wow, beautiful.
Look at that. Let me pull up my grandfather's van next to this guy. Let me show him off. What do you think of that car?
Wow. If we win the lottery.
Look at this one. Oh, 74,000. Holy cow. $74,000 is Jeep.
Wow, chunky. Wow,
Look at
this
that.
is amazing. Look at this color.
Look at him. What?
What
happened?
She said if we come out later, she will have more, but I know that you
What
don't want
time
to
they
come
close?
back. I don't know.
We're
I
coming
didn't
back
know.
later because I planted all these
I
pineapples.
mean, I need to tell her now.
What?
I need to tell her now. If we come back
What time they
later.
close? We'll come back later.
That means tell me, and she will separate now everything.
Yeah.
And in the time they close.
Yes.
Okay, one moment.
Well, ask her what time they close and we'll be back. Oh, they're not going to cut anymore?
No, but I want to see in the front. I see you in the front
Okay, all right.
because I want to see
Okay,
what they
okay,
do.
all right. I'll see you in the front. Mwah.
Look at that.
What are you looking for, Adriana?
The only thing I like is champagne. I don't drink anything else. I don't really drink. That will last me for a year.
Not when I get to it.
It's true. This is kind of nice. What? That's right. What is it?
Go look it up. Why do you have to be so high maintenance and look at the expensive ones here? Look at this. Right here. This is your style. Right here. Right here. Look. There it is. Right here. Right here. There you go.
No.
590 or 578. Perfect.
No,
Look, and it's
no.
empty. See? Which one you want?
No, but I cannot see the one I like. To drink.
Which one did you get? Let me. I just tripped on that. Let me see which one. Oh, good. You got the $10 one, not the
You don't
$80 one.
drink- I don't drink that much. I mean, it's no point to buy when I don't really drink.
Perfect. It's cheaper that way. Adriana's working hard. Look at her. What you doing?
Painting.
Painting. Waterproofing a dartboard.
Ay, mosquitoes.
There you go. See? Dartboard. With I think we need to wear like a bikini or something. Come on.
And the mosquitoes, what
Yeah,
do you
that's
mean?
okay. Don't worry about the mosquitoes.
Safety is the number one priority.
You like what I do when I was flipping the sign?
Desley,
Yeah.
Desley just finished doing my hair.
That's how
Everybody
it is.
was asking,
Yeah,
where's
why
Desley?
why
Where's
this shit
Desley?
over here?
How did I do it here? Let's see. Can I see myself? There I am. Look at that. Good job.
Yeah,
I'm
that's
back.
right.
I'm back. How's it working? Hold
Next
on.
thing you know-
How's it? Desley, what's your line? What's your line?
I'm back. I'm back. See, flip that sign. $25 color. Free color. No, not free. $25. Haircut. I gotta
Hey, how come the haircut's got duct tape on
I
it?
think we changed the price. $25.
Yeah, you change it. Wait, how does you change it? You changed it to end up.
And up. Exactly, because you have long hair. You can go high
Oh.
and up. So we got it all.
Go ahead. Hey, I'm back.
I'm back. Hey y'all, don't be afraid. I'm back.
We always do that, like, cheese.
Thank you. A toast to bread and butter.
Thank you.
46,000 miles. No, $46,000, 48,000 miles. This one's a two-wheel drive, so we're not going for two, but this is like 41 grand.
36,000 miles.
36,000 miles,
For 41.9.
41,000, but it's a 2013. So this is the 2013 with 36,000 miles. It's like what, 40 grand? Something like that. This one's nice. Doesn't have a rear. Chris is. We're supposed to go out on a boat now. I'm getting messages from Chris. I just hung up on him. Sorry, Chris.
Well, I'm gonna get you a business card. I'll be right back.
Okay, yeah, thanks. I like this one.
They give it a price.
If they give a better price. See, they got a 2016 over there for the same price, but it doesn't have the trailer braking on it. That's the problem. It's like 41, 42, something like that. But I don't know. I think, and how many miles does it have on it? I think this one's got 40,000 miles on it. This one's a 2013 with 36,000 miles. What do you say? 40,000, 41,000, something like that, whatever. But I don't know.
Crazy because this is 2013,
Right,
but it's also they look better condition outside and,
Right.
and the tires
right.
and the miles. And it's only 1,000 cheaper than 2016. It's crazy, but they other have a lot of miles. The tires they're not that good, and the condition is not as good as this.
Right. I mean, this one's in mint condition right here. Mint condition. Look at those tires.
Extra, like a little gadgets. Good little gadgets.
All right, let's see what happens. Where'd he go? Oh, there he is.
Hey, we just made the
He's swimming like a dolphin. He keeps coming up and down, up and down.
Make gator steaks.